Imagine this. You've been trading for a few months and things are looking up. You've pocketed some profits. You're feeling on top of the world. Then, out of nowhere, you make a trade and it tanks. You watch a chunk of your money disappear. Your stomach drops. Anger kicks in. Maybe even a little panic. You start thinking, am I cut out for this? Should I just call it quits? Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Losses happen in trading. They happen to everyone, even the pros. But what separates the traders who succeed from the ones who give up isn't the losses themselves. It's how they deal with them. Let's get real for a second. The market is wild. No one, not even the so-called gurus, can predict it with 100% certainty. Losses aren't a sign you're failing. They're a sign you're in the game. Think of them as feedback, little lessons from the market telling you what doesn't work so you can figure out what does. Now, I get it. Losing money stings. It's normal to feel frustrated or upset. We're not robots. But here's the catch. If you let those emotions take the wheel, you're setting yourself up for trouble. Anger might push you to revenge trade, fear might make you freeze, and both can dig you into a deeper hole. So, how do you handle losses like a pro? First, control your risks. Never put more money on the line than you're okay losing in a single trade. Set up stop-loss orders. Those little safety nets that cap your losses before they spiral out of control. That way, even when a trade goes wrong, it's just a bump in the road, not a crash. Here's another game changer. Keep a trading journal. Jot down why you made a trade, what you expected, and how it played out. Over time, you'll spot patterns. Maybe you're jumping in too early or ignoring key signals. It's like having a personal coach in your pocket, helping you level up. Need some inspiration? Let's talk about Jesse Livermore, legendary trader from the early 20th century. This guy made millions, lost millions, went broke more than once. But every time he hit rock bottom, he dusted himself off, learned from his mistakes, and came back sharper. His secret? He didn't let losses define him. He let them refine him. Trading isn't just about charts and numbers. It's a mental game. Show up with a positive mindset, ready to learn from every move, and losses won't feel like failures. They'll feel like steps forward. Because here's the deal. Every loss you learn from brings you closer to the wins. So next time a trade doesn't go your way, don't let it break you. Take a deep breath, figure out what went wrong, tweak your plan, and get back in there. Trading's a marathon, not a sprint. Every setback is a chance to grow. Stay positive, stay focused, keep learning. You've got this, and the best is yet to come. If this hit home for you, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading truths. Got a lost to lesson story of your own? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Let's keep pushing and growing together.